Welcome to our tutorial on how to disable smart features in Gmail on your PC. If you value your privacy and prefer to have more control over your email experience, disabling smart features and personalization in Gmail can be a great option. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to disable these features. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Gmail on your PC. Step 2. In the top right corner, click on Settings. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Step 3. Select See All Settings. This will take you to the Gmail settings page. Step 4. Scroll down until you find the Smart Features and Personalization section. Step 5. Next to it, you'll see a checkbox. Simply disable the checkbox to turn off smart features and personalization in Gmail. By disabling these features, you can ensure that your email experience is more tailored to your preferences and that your personal data is not used for personalized suggestions. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Gmail tutorials and tech-related content.